Dear students, we'll see some of the problematic part of custom duty. So let us go with the first problem. The assessable value of import of 10,000 US dollar is 10,000 US dollar. The basic custom duty is at 10%. The exchange rate at the relevant date is for 1 US dollar is 67 rupees. IGST is payable at 12% and social welfare surcharge is 10%. The IGST and the total custom duty will be calculated as follows. So how do we calculate the IGST and total custom duty? Okay, first of all, we need to do computation of custom duty and then we have to calculate integrated tax payable thereon. So assessable value of article imported. See, we have imported an article which is costing 10,000, but we need to convert that in Indian rupees, that is 67 rupees, right? Then when we multiply that, we will get 6,70,000. Basic custom duty is how much? It is 10%. Now 10% of assessable value, that is 67,000 plus social welfare charge. So there is one more charge which has been added, that is 10%. Now this need to be charged on the basic custom duty, that is 67,000. Of that 10% is 6,700. So the total custom duty is 73,700. So we will write this 73,700 in the outer column. Now we will do the total 6,70,000 plus 73,700. Total of that is total value of levy of integrated tax 7,43,700. Okay. Now when we got this, so the IGST is 12% payable of 7,43,700, 12%. That is 89,244 rupees, right? Total. Now we need to add both 7,43,700 plus 89,244. So the total landed cost is 8,32,944. That means how much is the total custom duty? So the total custom duty is the total custom duty tax, that is 73,700 plus the round of amount of IGST, that is 89,244. So that is total 1,62,944 rupees is the total custom duty. Let us see one more pro forma of computation of CGST. Assessable value, we will get that. So we need to write it, add basic custom duty in that. So we will add that, then add social welfare surcharge. So out of basic custom duty, generally it is 10%, right? We'll add it. So value for the purpose of levy of integrated tax is A plus B plus C. If you add that, we'll get that value for the purpose of levy of integrated tax. Then add integrated tax as applicable. We need to add that integrated tax. Then add GST compensation cess if it is given in the problem. Finally, you'll get total cost of imported goods, that is D plus E plus F. So you will get the amount. Then total custom duty payable is G minus A, right? G amount, that is total cost of imported goods, minus A, that is assessable value. So we will get total custom duty payable. Okay, so let us see a problem. The assessable value of import is rupees 2 lakh. The basic custom duty is at 10%. IGST is payable at 12%. Compensation tax is 10%. Social welfare charge is 10%. The IGST compensation tax and the total custom duty we need to calculate. It is calculated as follows. First of all, as we have seen in the last problem, assessable value of the goods imported. Now here directly here he has given us the value. Suppose he will give you some US dollars and the rate of US dollar in terms of Indian rupees. So we need to multiply that. But here directly 2 lakh is given, write that 2 lakh. Basic custom duty is 10% of assessable value. That is 10% of 2 lakh 20,000 plus social welfare charge, that is 10% again of basic custom duty. That is 10% of 20,000, 2,000. So the total custom duty is 22,000. Okay, now we need to find out we need to do the total 2 lakh plus 22,000. Now the total value for levy of integrated tax and compensation cess is 2 lakh 20,000. So integrated tax leviable under section 3 subsection 7 is 12%. 12% of the total value, that is 2 lakh 22,000. So we will get 26,640 rupees. Now there is one more thing, that is GST compensation cess is also leviable. Now GST compensation cess is he has given you in the problem, that is 10%. Okay, now of 2,22,000, 10%. That is 22,200 additional kind of thing we are paying. That is GST compensation cess. So we'll do the total of this. That is 48,840 rupees. Same total will be written in the outer column. Now 2,22,000 plus 48,840 rupees. So when we do the total of this, we'll get total landed cost. So what is the total custom duty? That is total custom duty after rounding off 22,000 plus the round off of IGST, that is 48,840 rupees. So total custom duty is 70,840 rupees. Let us see one more problem. The assessable value is rupees 50,000. Basic custom duty is at 10%. Excise duty levied on like products manufactured in India is 10%. Then social welfare charge is 10%. The additional duty on custom under section 3 subsection 1, that is CVD. Okay, additional custom duty, countervailing duty, and the total custom duty will be calculated as follows. So computation of custom duty and integrated tax. How to do that? Assessable value of the goods imported, that is 50,000. Then basic custom duty, it is 10%. So of 50,000, 10% is 5,000 plus CVD, right? Countervailing duty. They have told you that additional duty they are going to charge. Now additional duty is generally charged at 10%. Okay, so how to charge that? So that is charged on assessable value plus basic custom duty, that is 55,000. Now on 55,000, that is 10%. So we will get 5,500 rupees. Okay, now social welfare charge. So the social welfare charge is 10% of the total value. It is basic custom duty plus CVD, that is countervailing duty. 10,500 plus 10%, it is 1,050. So total custom duty is 11,550 and total landed cost. So it is 11,550 plus 50,000. 61,550 is the total landed cost. Let us see this problem. The assessable value of the imported goods is rupees 10 lakh. Basic custom duty is 10%. The goods are not subjected to CVD. The goods are here not subjected to CVD or any other additional custom duty. Social welfare charges is 10%. Compute total custom duty and imported cost of goods. Ignore IGST and GST compensation cess. So we need to ignore IGST and GST compensation cess. Okay, so he has told us to ignore it. Now assessable value of that particular product is 1 lakh rupees. Sorry, 10 lakh rupees already given. Basic custom duty he has told you is 10%. So that means it is 1 lakh. Social welfare charge he has given you 10%. Of 1 lakh, it is 10% means 10,000. Total custom duty is 1 lakh 10,000. Now total custom duty after rounding off, it is 1 lakh 10,000. Now 10 lakh plus 1 lakh 10,000. Total value before integrated tax is 11 lakh 10,000. But integrated tax is not applicable here because he has told you ignore IGST and GST compensation cess. So it is not applicable. That means total landed cost is 11 lakh 10,000 and total custom duty is 1 lakh 10,000. There is no integrated tax paid in this particular problem. Let us see this problem. The assessable value of an article imported from UK is rupees 4 lakh. The basic custom duty is 10% and social welfare charge is 10%. The integrated tax livable under section 3, subsection 7 of Customs Tariff Act is 12%. Calculate the amount of total custom duties and IGST. So we need to calculate the amount of total custom duty as well as the IGST. Okay, we will prepare the columns. The heading will be computation of custom duty and integrated tax payable. Okay, now first is assessable value of article imported. So we need to write the assessable value of the articles which are being imported. So that is 4 lakh. Basic custom duty, right? Basic custom duty is 10% of 4 lakh 40,000. Social welfare charges, that is 10% again. Now of basic custom duty, it is 10%, 4,000 rupees. Total custom duty is 40,000 plus 4, 44,000. So the total custom duty after rounding off is 44,000, and total value before integrated tax is 4 lakh plus 44,000, that is 4 lakh 44,000. Now integrated tax, okay, integrated tax livable under section 3, he has told you it is 12%. Now of 4 lakh 44,000, 12%, it is 53,280 rupees. We need to do the total of integrated tax and total value before integrated tax, that is 4 lakh 44,000. So the total landed cost we'll get is 4 lakh 97,280 rupees. Custom duty here is 44,000 and integrated tax is 53,280 rupees. So we'll see one more problem. The assessable value of goods imported by Mr. Sugam from USA is 2 lakh. The goods attract the following duties of custom. That is, basic custom duty is at 10%. IGST is payable at 12%. CGST compensation cess is 15%. Social welfare surcharge at 10%. Okay, so these are few of the details. You are required to calculate the total custom duty, the IGST, and the GST compensation cess. So how do we calculate? First of all, assessable value of imported goods, that is 2 lakh. Basic custom duty, it is 10% of 2 lakh 20,000. Social welfare charges, it is also 10%. 1% of basic custom duty 20,000, it is 2,000. So total custom duty is 22,000. Now total custom duty after rounding off is 22,000. Total value before integrated tax is 2 lakh plus 22, 22,000. So that means it is 2 lakh 22,000. Then integrated tax, that integrated tax, which is levied under section 3, subsection 7, it is given in the problem as 12%. 2 lakh 22,000 of that 12% is 26,640 rupees. And GST compensation cess, so that he has told you is 15%. Now same amount you should take, that is 2 lakh 22,000 of that 15%. So that is 33,300. Now we need to do the total, that is 2 lakh 22 plus 26,640 plus 33,300. So total landed cost is 2 lakh 81,940 rupees. But the total custom duty is 22,000. Integrated tax is 26,640 and GST compensation cess is 33,300 rupees. Right, 33,300 rupees.